All right. Welcome back, everybody. Let's see what we have today in the morning on these charts. I mean, so far we had a nice little breakdown from the top. You can see we opened up kind of bluntly. We spoke about this yesterday. And then we could not displace above that. So then we continued down. So that 4 hour actually ended up being taken that day. And now we're just kind of slowly trickling down. So let's see what they do here. Kind of like this 5 minute for maybe a small upside retrace, but otherwise, like, we can take a short little, take a small long, maybe to see if it gives us something. On the 1 minute though, not necessarily didn't hit our target over here, but I like that 15 minute, the way it's reversing. Sort of. London session, check out the low of Asia. We still have the high left up there. So, we gotta see what they do here with it. Turn up some music. But yeah, if they do reverse it, I'd look at this point. Let's see how our levels are from I did yesterday. It's a close. The previous weekly wick is holding. We're not holding, but we do have that delineated, and we're below it right now. 4 hour. Let's check out what we have on those, maybe some daily levels. Overnight. And this trend line, right? We can keep that. That can come back, get retested. This LB, what are we going to keep? This liquidity, we're going to keep. Let's see. That's an important level. This overnight level. I want to make sure that that doesn't get broken. That little Timmy zone right there. Let's see. Yeah, probably that Timmy zone is going to be our rejection point. Same with this one. This one got kind of broken through. So I want to make sure. See what we do with it. But let's see. Okay. New 15-minute candle is going to open up here in a second. I would want to see it come back a little bit. If this is going to be our small reversal point, that's where I want it to be. I mean, this is not on the 4 hour. Just a bunch of wicks on the 4 hour too. You see all these stops, we want above this level right there, 2208. If we want to see a continuation higher, 2208, and then all of these ones back above it. Kind of what we're looking for, yeah. 30 minute. 30 minute, okay. 15 minute. Okay, we do have a Timmy zone right here on the 15. And I want to stay put on that. Sure. Let's work that out. I mean, we do have the below bear line, right? So that's also our something to watch out for. Yeah, we could take a very high risk. I mean, 142, 147. It's like a even RR trade. I'm not gonna try for that, but I do like it. I do think we get a little retrace to the upside, at least. But considering Asian highs are still left, we could easily come up for those. We're not discounting that with I mean, with this range alone being 1,000 points, we can move that during the day. If we move that during the night, that's wild. Let me see, actually, on this. I'm testing out this new indicator just to help me with the daily range. Typically, it's like same thing with similar to what Rocket Scooter has, where they're DD bands. You usually see a little float around that daily range bottom, and we sometimes come up and take that top. So that's what I'd want to see if we are planning on doing that. So, no news. All right, no speakers. We're just gonna have to see what they do here. Top of this 15 taken. All right, this doesn't necessarily have to be that final manipulation. So actually, now we bounce that volume and balance. So right now we're just kind of being patient here around these levels. This was a nice short over here overnight. Came up, retested this fair value gap right there up top. All right, and then sold back down. So we took some shorts for overnight. And then this fair value gap is still up top. So let's see how they do this. Do we have anything? In a bit of an M. 4 hours still. Looking like it wants to continue. Same with the daily, honestly. Daily. Big gap right there, though. Opening gap does usually get filled pretty fast, so keep our eye on it. I think if we're bouncing, then I'd want to see, obviously something like that. We can come up for those highs. If this is just a small retrace, then probably come up, retest this, back lower. Two scenarios, right? Forming our if then. If we hold above this, honestly, then we can probably see some more upside. If we can't, likely just sell back down to that previous weekly low. Considering it is CPI, me. Yeah. And a lot of people are saying bottom, bottom, bottom. So I think another little shot down. So we shall see what we do. But on that note, we will end it here. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, for watching. Check out www.papertraders.io. If you're not in the Discord yet, make sure to do so. Follow at HazeBeats on Twitter. Follow Big Timmy Hedge. Phenomenal traders. Both got years of experience on them. But other than that, we will see you guys on our nightly stream.